So, you're sure this time?
Yes, absolutely. I swear on my life.
That's not good enough for us anymore. We're gonna have to make sure ourselves. So, you're here. About fucking time. Historia Museum holds heirlooms with our history, and those dogs must not be allowed to take what is rightfully ours. Some sources say they're moving tonight. Others are dead. Your task, if you choose to take it, will be to intercept and collect all valuables on site. You'll operate as a two-man team, each with his own duties. Overseer, your duty will be to monitor and manipulate security systems to aid and sabotage, make use of stun gates, and exhibit traps to keep the enemy disoriented. Runner, your task will be to tag and extract all available valuables. Historia Museum can no longer be trusted to ensure the safety of our artifacts. Any encounter with an enemy on site is to be dealt with extreme hostility. Time is of the essence. Move out.